Today we're doing a science experiment that requires flames, and it's going to be probably dangerous.
Yes.
This is brought from Mel Chemistry by me, Leo Scientist, and Epical Avery.
Epical Avery's in the house. Oh no.
Hey Avery, we have three
Call me
options.
EA.
Avery, we have three options. Do you want to do burning magnets, rocket fuel, or green sparkles?
Let's see.
Magnesium. Did you know the magnesium is it burns bright and eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Safety first. You need to have protective goggles and protective gloves. I need help. First off is tin foil, and you put it on the oven.
Yes. Wait, first we have a tray. You have to put your tray down.
You have
with
a tray,
your stove,
and you
or
have this
wire.
a wire that you put down right here,
like this diagonal.
And make sure the wire is in place.
First, we have these two special ingredients, and I need to read them. So this one is called hexamethylene-tetramine.
This ingredient is called hexamethylene-tetramine.
Hexamethaline-tetramine.
Hang on, here's the name tag.
Hexamethylene-tetramine.
Hey, say my name is Dino daVinci, yo.
Dino and a Benti me. I called hi, Dad. Dino, it's called magnesium. All right, now we put this in the middle between the wire, and we put it on the tin foil.
Mom. Okay.
And
Wait, what is that called again?
that is called
A difficult name.
Hexamethaline-tetramine.
Hexamethylene-tetramine.
I want to hold it.
Because we can, we have extra stuff.
Yeah, we do.
Guys, no, be careful.
What am I doing?
You're gonna light it. We're gonna happen.
Just
Watch out, it's gonna be very bright.
Woo!
Yeah. Look it, see how bright that is?
It's not that bright.
See, that's what happens. That's why it's so creeps. That's why I never play with fire.
Yeah, don't play with fire, kids.
Oh, it's gonna explode!
Sure.
I heard another explosion.
It's amazing.
What happened?
Verdict.
Cool or not cool?
It's cool. Please. I want to do it.
Don't mess with fire, kids.
Go, Dino.
That's good. No, that's gonna be very.
Hurry, Leo, turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights, Leo.
Oh no! Oh, there it goes!
Leo, turn off the lights.
Dino, goggles on.
Okay. Yeah. Why didn't anybody turn off the lights?
Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Wow.
I won't do it again. I won't do it. Please. Someone turn off the lights. Now that is a big heat wave.
Leo, turn the lights off. Quick.
Leo, turn it off. Where are the light switch?
Behind there. Behind the seashells. Oh, I want to see it. I want to look at it. Yeah. Ow! 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 What happened?
Do that? It's like a volcano erupting.
The volcano erupted and then it literally reached our
It's a
house.
volcano.
Joking. This is not
It
my
just looks like a bubble I want to pop.
Don't pop it. Otherwise you burn your hand.
Don't.
No, don't do that. It needs to burn out.
throw it. Then why did you say?
Leo.
I want to do it again, please.
What?
I want to do it again.
What?
I want to.
Well, there you go. Dino,
Dino, don't touch. What is wrong with you?
Well, there you go. This experiment was very fun, and I hope that all of you like this experiment. This dude is on fire. When there's a fire in cement, gonna bring. Get out, stay out, don't go back. I want to close my eyes. The fire